Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We are going to do a walkthrough of a Delta benchtop 13 spindle line boring machine. This particular machine is powered by a 3/4 horsepower 120 volt motor. It does have 2 inches of travel on either side here. You do have your locks for your depth. You do have a built-in scale here, and that built-in scale is in both standard and metric. On either side of the table, you do have stops. You do have dual pin sets for continuous boring. The on switch is located up top. We're simply going to take the material, load it in. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.